guys, today we're gonna do a video. A week ago, I gave Chris $200 to spend on Amazon. $450 later, let's see what he got. Oh, my knife. Wow, this is lithium-ion batteries. You wanna come in here?
I can't because the address.
Oh, no, I already moved the address.
All right.
See that? Lithium-ion batteries forbidden for transport aboard passenger aircraft. All right, let's see. Oh, these are the masks that came in. I'm just gonna open one of them because obviously all you need to see is one. So because Chris has a very long beard.
It's like a backwards do-rag.
Yeah. All right, so he got 2 of those. We're actually gonna give one to my brother-in-law because I wasn't supposed to buy 2. I was only supposed to buy 1. Okay, so this. Oh, it's a battery. Looks like there's a USB cable. Charging station.
Can I tell you what that's for?
Can you?
Yeah, so that's for, those are Sony batteries.
Okay.
And it comes with a little, sorry to interrupt it, babe. So, you know what this is for?
To charge these. But here's one of the batteries.
Yeah. Okay, we'll keep on going.
Okay, I'll just keep on going. So this really, okay, it's an unknown mystery box. Made in China like everything else.
Hey, China got here pretty quickly.
Ooh, ooh. Okay, I'm not gonna throw these. I'm gonna put one up here because they're obviously the same thing. It's a floodlight. Oh! They're smart RGBWs. But there will be a video on that. This is not that video, so come back for more on that. Let me just put all this up here. Okay, so I'm assuming that these batteries go with whatever's in this box.
Yeah.
So let's do this. Now, mind you, he was only given 250, like 200 bucks. He spent 450. But he's cute, so it's okay. Ooh, this looks official. Oh, this looks really official, Chris. What? Okay, so whatever he bought. Ew. Is that a bug?
Wipe it down, baby girl.
That's your patrol.
That's Andrew.
In the vows, when I married you, you had agreed to be a bug killer remover, spider killer remover. That is not my job. I am to cook for you. I was supposed to give you kids. That is your job. Get to it. Okay. Did you get a tripod? No, that's not a tripod. I'm just gonna have to open this case. Chris over here disregarding his vows.
Yeah, I better pray for that one.
Okay, maybe it wasn't a bug, maybe it was a rock. I don't know, but still. Official, what is this? What in the world? Alright guys, I am intrigued. 3, 2, a ring light? You got a ring light? Okay. So this is not just for your YouTube. I am so using this for my Snapchat. My Snapchat videos will never be the same. Oh my God. You know the irritation of you spending $450 when I gave you a $200 spending limit? It's forgiven. I love you, babe. You're so great. Wow. Oh, babe. This is the one that changes colors?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, destructions. Okay, so it's the newer 19-inch LED ring light with the RGB. So that is actually really exciting. But again, that's not this video. You guys will have to come back again for a different video. I'm just here doing all the unboxings, irritating my husband by getting into everything. He's gonna complain later when it comes to his unboxing. But you already unboxed it, now I just gotta set up. Oh, congratulations, babe, I unboxed it for you. Now you just have to do a setup video. He'll complain later. It's okay though. I'll tame the beast. Dude, I am so excited. We actually have more packages coming. Ooh, that's the Amazon guy right now. Ta-da! Okie dokie. Here is the last of Chris's orders. Let's see what we got. Oh, you know what? Real quick. Chris. This was also in your orders.
Yeah, I forgot about that one.
So did I. Okay. Alright, so back to it.
Okay, can you send us? Thank you. Okay.
Okay. Okay, so this one. What did I do with that knife?
I put it up. Hold on. Just right there. Stay right there. Don't stop looking so pretty. How about this one? Official knife.
Okay. So these are like, it's to adjust the strap for like when you wear your mask so it doesn't just like continue to hurt your ears. And Tucson masks are required basically everywhere you go. So we needed a 5-pack because we have 5 people. Okay, and then we got 8 masks.
So this is the bundle pack?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to talk about it?
It's a bundle pack of 8 masks.
For like 20 bucks.
Okay, for like 20 bucks. He would know since he's the one who spent all the money.
Yeah, so these are fire because they're all black. They have a really soft soft. It's like soft polyester. And here's a little thing right there, so you look fly.
We know that these are not the N95s. We do not need you to comment that these are not the N95s. Okay, thank you. Just want to make that clear. Next week, since Chris crashed his drone, some extra propeller thingies, propeller blades.
Straight from DJI.
Yeah, straight from DJI because you wanted the most reputable.
Yeah, always get the one from DJI because that's not the other ones. They would crash in midair.
But Chris will probably have a video of him fixing it or whatever. Oh. Make it different. It's a handheld shooting grip with smartphone holder for a Sony Action Cam. Oh, that's really cool. Again, that's a whole new video. Chris is gonna kind of get irritated because I always unbox his stuff. But I'm curious, what can I say? Curiosity killed the cat, but guess what? Satisfaction brought it back. So those next. They literally look like they're the same size. I wonder what they are. Okay, hold on. Wow, Chris, you're gonna look so pretty shooting these.
Yeah.
Just kidding. So my 4-year-old's birthday is on the 17th. And my 7-year-old wanted matching bow and arrows. So my 7-year-old actually bought them for her and her sister. We know that it says 6+. Well, guess what? My 4-year-old is mature enough to handle something like this. So we don't need to care about that either. Okay guys, so that is Chris's $450 Amazon order. We will go and make other videos. The girls are excited to make videos on these. This is all they've been able to talk about for the past week. This and like these two items are the only thing I really knew about. I knew Chris had gotten like a bunch of stuff, but he told me that it was a surprise for this video. So, all right, guys. Also, once we get to 1,000 subscribers, we are going to do an iPad giveaway. Like, subscribe, and comment for your chance to enter to win.